the most requested Hypebox video to date, the $250 hype box. It is like in a shoebox, guys. This thing is not big at all. And I mean, for the price, I can understand why. You're not gonna get a pair of shoes. You're not gonna get anything super crazy like a box logo or anything like that. But for 250 bucks, this is the box it comes in. So I'm interested to see what's in here. Stay tuned.
Can I get a witness? Smoking and drinking a little bit. This levels to the litness. Pull up with that new in the driveway.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your new favorite series, the Hypebox series. Hypebox series. This Hypebox comes to us from soulsteals.com. Soulsteals is a membership website. Yes, a membership, so you have to pay $19.99 a month to get access to these boxes. But thankfully, like, if you miss out on a Hypebox, there's a lot of other cool stuff on the website that you can get. This past drop had a lot of cool stuff. I mean, there's like cause, shattered backboards. There's a lot of good stuff on there actually. So yeah, it's a nice website where you can find a lot of like good shoes, like hype shoes, for under competitive market value, which is huge because everybody's looking for a steal. Everybody wants to come up. These hype boxes, you might get a huge come up, but if you miss on the hype boxes, there is a lot of other stuff available to you on there. So definitely check them out. They'll be in the description below. So like I was saying earlier, I'm not expecting a lot of heat in here. Like $250, you want to try to tailor your expectations to what you're buying. You get what you pay for is extremely true in hype boxes, man. 2000 hype box, I'm expecting crazy heat, Supreme box logos, North Face Supreme jackets, crazy Yeezys, all of that good stuff. 250 bucks, I'm expecting maybe like a couple shirts, a couple accessories. I don't think there's shoes in here, obviously. Like, I don't think so, or else that would be the whole box. So, I mean, we gotta see what we have though. So I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I'm gonna be selling my hype boxes moving forward. Like, there's not a lot of places that allows you to like sell hype streetwear safely. Obviously, you can put it up on somewhere like eBay, but God, there's so many fakes and like just a lot of like crazy stuff on eBay. So I'm not a big fan of that. I'm also not a big fan of like their huge seller fees. Like, you gotta pay a lot of money to eBay so you can sell on eBay, and that cuts into your profit margins, man. So what was really cool is I found out about this new app called Bump. I'm partnering with Bump to go over how dope it is, man. I cannot say enough good things about this app. Reason being is because now I can sell all my Supreme stuff that I get from hype boxes easily and quickly. We'll go over all of that, but yeah, let's just open this up and we'll talk more about it later. Oof. Nah. Okay. Sorry. Let me put some clarity on this. This shirt is the Madonna and Child Supreme shirt. I am not a big fan of this shirt. I will not be showing you guys on this channel what this shirt is because I don't like what it represents. It was from the 2017 Supreme drop last year, and this is something that I feel like very disgusted just holding, man. I don't like this. Perfect, because now I can put it up on my Bump account and sell it on there. The seller fees on Bump are 6%. 6% is minuscule, man. You also have to deal with the 2.9. I think it might flux for PayPal transactions, but that PayPal transaction is very, very important. You never want to buy or sell shoes without PayPal, man. Reason being is because you have PayPal protection, and that's one of the best things about the Bump app, is you're protected. On a lot of other buy and sell apps, there are a lot of fakes. There's a lot of problems. You might never see your money back if you do the transaction wrong. Bump tries to limit that by allowing you to utilize PayPal protection. That's like the contingency. You're also able to like message the buyer or the seller, whichever party you're part of, and you can try to work it out through there. Never, ever, ever try to do a side deal away from Bump to try to save yourself 6%. That goes with anything. Don't do that. You want to be protected by the company because the company is there to look out for you. That's why that fee is there, so that they can help you with the transaction, make sure everything's legit, make sure everything's safe. It's that feeling of feeling safe that's really good. Next shirt out we have is a Supreme shirt again, and oh my goodness, it is another kind of obscene shirt, so I don't really want to put it on the camera. It's like a dog and he's throwing like poo. Yeah, and I don't know what that is, but yeah, so that's another shirt that we can actually sell on Bump because it's not something that I'm gonna keep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out of the bag, pull open my Bump app right here, click on the sell button, which is really quick. You click on list an item for sale, put in the item title. So I'm gonna type in Supreme dog s asterisk 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 because we don't say those kinds of words in this channel. Shirt, black, size, large. And then we take some quick pictures. Picture of the front, picture of the size tag, and picture of that little tag that shows that it's still unworn, brand new. Next, we're gonna put condition, which is new. Category is clothing, shirt, obviously. Size large. Shipping, we can input our own shipping, which is really important. So after the shipping, you put in the item price, whatever you want to sell it for. Make sure you do your research on Bump and look on like the feature page. Search your own item first. Filter Supreme Dog shoot shirt, Supreme Dog shirt. Filter it through, look at it, look at the prices that are over here now. That way you can kind of tailor whatever you're going to sell it for with whatever the market is selling for on Bump. So the filter is nice because you can put what brand it is, Supreme, what you're looking for, color black, category top because it's a shirt, size men's large, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You search, you can find what shirt you're looking for. Even if you don't really know the name of what you're looking for, just by using that filter option, you can pretty much narrow it down to what it probably is. 2 items left, and the next one out we got is pretty cool. This is a Supreme shoulder bag. I think this is a 2018 version. This thing just came out like I think 2 weeks ago. I kind of like this. I'm not big on man purses, shoulder bags. If you guys wear them, that's cool. It's just not for me. Sorry. This is another thing that I'm not gonna keep because it's not something that I use. I'm not big on man purses or shoulder bags. So this is like another thing that I can put on Bump, and I know for sure this will sell like really quick because it's an accessory and everybody wants Supreme accessories. So I'll put this up on Bump, hopefully make another sale, and hopefully like if the transaction is good and stuff, it'll up my seller rating on Bump, which is huge because the better reviews you have, the more credible you are. So people know, okay, this guy's trustworthy, he's safe to buy from. So the more sales you do, the more reviews you can get back, the more credibility you have. Conversely, that can actually turn into more followers because there's like a social aspect of Bump where you can follow your favorite stores. Follow at Untied Hawaii, obviously, because you guys all support your boy, you know, so follow me, I guess, at Untied Hawaii. Mini plug. So follow me on Bump. You can check out my store. Everything that we're talking about right now is going to be up for sale on there. Last thing we have is the Supreme Zoji Rushi. This is funny. I actually have this same water bottle, which I think there's still water in there, that I drink like on the daily. This one is the black, I think. Yep, it's the exact same water bottle, so don't need that either. So man, I got nothing out of this hype box that I can keep. The price counter you see over here is showing not only the prices that are competitively there, it's also showing what they're going for on Bump, minus the 6% fee. And you can see over here, still making our money back and we're still making some profit on it. So that's good. And yeah, that's why it's important to like try to minimize cost, because if I sold this anywhere else, the seller fees would pretty much kill whatever value is over here. So by selling on something that's 6% seller fees, I can try to minimize the damage and try to make the maximum profit. So I hope you guys look into it. I hope you guys download it. It's in the description below. And let me know in the comments below when you guys sign up with your username, your handle, because that way I can try to follow you guys back. If you guys have anything for sale, I can check it out. The Ohana supports the Ohana basically. So you guys follow me. I'll try my best to follow you guys if I see your guys' comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this hype box, man. Because I don't know, I don't think the 250 is for me. I'm just gonna say it up front. It's not for me. I think maybe for a lot of you younger guys, if you guys are looking into buying a hype box, it's nice for the thrill. It's nice that you can build your collection for relatively cheaper than what you would go. Like if I bought these 4 items by itself, it would be a lot higher than what I just got it from the hype box. So it's a good thing to like build your collection. It's a good thing to get you started, and it's just really fun to open. In terms of if you're trying to make profit off of it, I'm not sure it's there. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna try to sell it and say, yo, you can make hundreds of dollars on this 250 box. It's not like that. Tailor your expectations. If you guys like this, check it out. Maybe we got to see a couple more. This was just one box, so tailor your expectations, guys. There's other boxes out there. There might be way more hype stuff in that, and hopefully it doesn't have like shirts that I don't want to like list on here. So that's that for this box though. Thank you guys as always for watching, man. This has been another hype box episode with Untied Hawaii. Till next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. Aloha, I'll see you. Shoots.